Hi, Mr. Wendell here. Today we're going to take a look at the lab, which is the separation of sand and salt. There's a couple items that you need for this lab. We'll go over those now as the materials. First thing you're going to need is the sand and salt mixture. Your teacher will provide this to you. You're going to need a test tube rack to hold that. A few of the other items that we'll need: a 10 milliliter graduated cylinder. You're going to need a ring stand. You will have a ring on that stand. You're going to need an evaporating dish, a clay triangle, a Bunsen burner, and in the funnel we're going to use some filter paper. There's 3 steps to this lab. The first one is dissolving, the second one is filtering, and the third one is the boiling of the water. So we're going to go through the setup for those. The procedures you're going to work on with your teacher in class, and you'll fill that out on your lab paper. First step is you're going to take your sample of sand and you're going to mix that with 10 milliliters of water. And you're going to pour that into your mixture. Another item that we'll use is a stirring rod. You can put the stirring rod in and mix it around. This process is used to dissolve the salt that was mixed with the sand into the water. The next step is going to be the filtering. You're going to take your filter paper and you're going to fold it in half 2 times. After you fold it in half, you're going to open up one of the flaps. So you have 1 flap on the right side and 3 on the left. You're going to take that and place that in your funnel. Now oftentimes what helps out is putting a little water on the funnel. All right, you can have your teacher add, or you can put a little bit of water on your filter paper, and now when you put it in your funnel, it stays. The next step is going to be filtering. You're going to take that mixture and you're going to pour it through your filter as best you can. And the sand should mostly come out. And as you see, the water is going through the filter paper and into the evaporating dish. The last step is going to be evaporating the water. You're actually not evaporating, you're going to be boiling the water off that's in the evaporating dish. So the dish now has the salt water in it. You've separated out the sand, and you're going to take this and leave it on the clay triangle. You'll move over your clamp here, or you can take that off completely. And you're going to go ahead and hook up the Bunsen burner and light the Bunsen burner. You're going to heat the evaporating dish with the salt water in it until most of the salt water boils away. When it gets down to the last little bit of water in the evaporating dish, sometimes if you continue to heat that, the salt will jump out of the evaporating dish. It can get on your arms. It is a little painful. So what I'll have you do is turn off the gas just before all of the water is evaporated away, and you're going to let that evaporating dish sit there. It'll still be hot. The water will evaporate away and leave you with salt.